We're going to do our first base other than base 10, which is base 5. And as you can see, we're going to use coins. And the coins that we're going to use are 4 pennies, 4 nickels, and 4 quarters. Now, if you're wondering, why did I choose pennies, nickels, and quarters? Let's remember what base 10 means. Base 10 means the base is a 10. So I'm interested in a base that's a 5. Okay, so 5 to the 0 is 1, so that represents our 1 cent penny. 5 to the first is 5, which represents our 5 cent nickel. And 5 to the second is 25, which represents our 25 cent quarter. Okay, so here's the idea. If I asked us to find 42 cents using what we have here, we're going to figure out how many quarters, nickels, and pennies we need. So let's see. I would need 1 quarter for 25, but if I did 2 quarters, I'd be 50, which is too much. Okay, so there's 25. I need 1 nickel, that's 30. Another nickel, that's 35. Another nickel, that's 40. And then lastly, I'd need 2 pennies. So what's happening is that I need 1 quarter, 3 nickels, 2 pennies. So 42 cents is the same thing as 1 quarter, 3 nickels, 2 pennies, or it's the same thing as 132 base 5. So 42 cents is equal to this amount of quarters, nickels, pennies, which we write this way, and the 5 tells us what kind of coins we're using. Okay, let's try another one. So if I said that I wanted to make 65 cents, oops, sorry, 65 cents. And again, we're using our quarters, nickels, and pennies. So let's see, how many quarters do I need? I think I'm gonna need 2 quarters, right? 2 quarters would be 50 cents, okay? And then nickels, let's see. I would still have, let's see if you guys agree, 65 minus 50 is I still need 15 cents to make. So that would be 1, 2, 3 nickels. And I don't need any pennies. Does that make sense? So here I have 50 cents plus 15 cents is 65. So I need 2 quarters, 3 nickels, and 0 pennies. We need to have that 0 there. So this would be the same thing as 230 base 5. Okay. For those that don't have quarters, nickels, and pennies handy, I'm going to show you another way to do this right now without actually manhandling the coins. Okay? So let's say that I wanted to figure out how to make 84 cents. All right, so I'm just going to draw a 25 for a quarter, a 5 for a nickel, and 1 for a penny. Okay, so let's see. I need 3 quarters for 75. And I still have to make exact change, I still have 9 cents I got to make. So I'm going to need 1 nickel. And I'm going to need 4 pennies. Okay, 3 quarters, 1 nickel, 4 pennies. So 84 cents is the same thing as 314 base 5. All right. In our next video, we're going to go the other direction, meaning if they give us something in base 5, how do we write it in base 10? Good luck.